Today, we're unboxing the brand new CAM LR4 from Connex 2. This bespoke rear camera is specifically designed for the Land Rover Defender. What's unique about it? Well, it integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's original rear washer, fitting perfectly over the washer to give drivers a centralized view of the rear. Let's dive right in and take a closer look. First off, the camera comes in stylish retail packaging. The design caters to two options, the CAM LR3, which is standard CVBS, and the CAM LR4, which offers AHD for enhanced video quality. Both are tailored to fit snugly in the same housing. Opening the box, the first thing we see is a set of clear, detailed instructions. These guide you through the camera's features, how to fit it into the housing, and how to install it on your Defender. Now, let's check out the components inside. First up is the camera housing. This is designed to stylishly fit over the vehicle's rear window washer. Next, we have the rear rubber gasket, which attaches to the back of the housing to ensure a secure fit. The camera also comes with all the necessary connection leads and an extension cable, making it easy to connect the camera to your vehicle's head unit. You'll also find a plastic template. This handy tool helps you mark the exact spots for fitting the camera. To install, simply feed the camera through the hole in the housing and push it in to secure it in place. And there you have it, the CAM LR4 AHD rear camera for the Land Rover Defender, ready to elevate your driving experience. For full specifications, head over to c2vision-eu.com. You'll find the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing and tech reviews.